In this lesson, we will talk about le conditionnel présent, but more precisely when it is used to express an imaginary fact. So it's a common thing to use le conditionnel présent, in fact, to express an imaginary fact, something that doesn't exist in reality, but you would like to imagine it, to dream about it. So let's have a look at few examples. J'habiterai dans ce quartier. So, in that case, habiter in the conditionnel présent form, and now you're starting to dream. J'habiterai dans ce quartier, but in reality, you don't. J'irai tous les jours chercher mon pain dans cette boulangerie. So you continue your dream. You're living in this neighborhood and then j'irai tous les jours chercher mon pain dans cette boulangerie. In that case, it's the verb aller, remember, in the conditionnel présent form. You continue to imagine, you continue to dream. Je prendrai mon métro dans cette station. Je prendrai mon métro dans cette station. The dream continues. It's the verb prendre in the conditionnel présent form, first person. Je prendrai. J'irai le week-end me relaxer dans ce parc à côté de chez moi. J'irai le week-end me relaxer dans ce parc à côté de chez moi. It's the verb aller in the conditionnel présent form, first person, j'irai. So as you can see, we use it quite normally, quite easily to express an imaginary fact, something that you want to dream about.